Hello guys, may buntag, may ugto, may hapon, nag-ibig. It is when we're bundle of joy. We're bundle of joy. This is what happened. This is what's gonna be life of coldness and snowiness. Greatness. Is that greatness? Great and snow, look at the snow. Yan, grabe. So kaya ang coughing, ang ubo, walang katapusan. Keep coughing and coughing. Okay dali, then tataon mo kuha na sa ano na naman anong tawag nito? Mag-ubo na naman kasi malamig. Pupunta kami sa tindahan, bibili ng thanks for her wife is in there. The wife of the driver, the truck ba? The truck, her wife with him, with him. What's that? The wife, passenger. I remember your she's right with his husband. He's working. Oh, init but tugnaw. Yan ang buhay. Look at them. Snow. Daming snow. Ay, pistol karaan. Wait, someone bite my butt. In here, in your car. So, murabag na is sharp. Where is it? Oh, the cool. They're so big. Let me see guys. Granny's is nagkuhan si Gwen mobile. Nagpa-mobile siya. Akong lips ba kay nagkuhan siya, nag-dry kay tungod sa katugnaw. This is the... Oh, I need to get back. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Going to be GB because I'm gonna get salad. Just
Can I stay in here?
yes.
It won't take forever.
No, I won't. I'm just gonna get the... What am I gonna get? The salad and the egg.
Technically, I could do my hair there, but I don't.
Oh, no snow guys. Oh, snow dire. Oh, kapoy. Pil ihi. Pil ihi. I can park that side. Nothing. It's too far away.
You said this side.
No, I know this side, but other next to the blue, I think. It's not like for 100
Oh,
car.
that's handicap.
Oh, there's an
If I park here,
right there. That's good.
no, it's curbside pickup.
Or just pick up there. Right there.
Yeah, it's curbside pickup one. I'll try to park close.
Okay, be back.